Hi, for those that don't know me, my name is Peter Moss. I've been associated with the uke for probably 50 years now. Wow. But anyway, I decided I would do some things on YouTube which were no longer than 5 minutes because we're all very busy, aren't we? And so this is number 6 in the series. The other 5, if you go to my YouTube channel, you'll find them there. Now, the tune I'm going to do today is a piece called Yellow Bird. Why did I pick it? Well, it's kind of got a really nice sort of calypso rhythm to it, and it goes through quite quickly with the finger picking. So I quite enjoy doing this. The only problem is once you've started the finger picking, you can't stop. You've just got to keep going right the way through the piece. So may the best person win is my version of Yellow Bird. Hi, so there you go, Yellow Bird. It's a wonderful calypso piece, isn't it? A bit challenging with the old finger picking, but got through it, I think. You know, if you're enjoying this series, please consider subscribing. Now, the name suggests you would actually pay for it, but you don't. So there'll be a link at the end of this video where you can go straight to my channel, and please subscribe and also hit what's called a notification bell. You will be notified of the next video in the series. Until the next time, stay safe, take care, bye-bye.